Welcome back to 60 Plus Smart Life, your trusted source for real, honest updates made just for America's seniors. If you're someone who missed out on the third stimulus check during the pandemic, that's the $1,400 payment issued in 2021, then this may be your final opportunity to claim what's rightfully yours. The IRS has set a hard deadline of July 20, 2025 for eligible individuals to file their 2021 tax return and claim the 2021 Recovery Rebate Credit. In today's video, we're going to explain exactly what this refund is, who qualifies, how to claim it, and what will happen if you miss this deadline. Everything we share today is backed by data directly from IRS.gov, so you're getting clean, clear, and accurate information with no rumors and no guesswork. Let's begin with the basics. Back in 2021, the federal government passed the American Rescue Plan, a COVID relief package that included a third round of economic impact payments, commonly known as stimulus checks. While many Americans received their payments automatically, millions of eligible individuals never received theirs due to errors, missing tax returns, or changes in income or address. The IRS acknowledged that some seniors, especially those living on fixed incomes or Social Security alone, may have missed the payment entirely, not because they were ineligible, but because they simply hadn't filed a 2021 tax return. That's where the Recovery Rebate Credit comes in. If you didn't get your full $1,400 in 2021, you can still receive it, but only if you file a 2021 federal tax return claiming the credit. The IRS has provided an extended window to do this, which expires on July 20, 2025. After this date, you will permanently lose the ability to claim the money. There are no exceptions and no extensions after this deadline. Now let's talk eligibility. Who qualifies to receive the $1,400 Recovery Rebate Credit? According to the IRS, you may be eligible if you were a U.S. citizen or resident in 2021. You had a valid Social Security number. You were not claimed as a dependent on someone else's 2021 return. You didn't already receive the full third stimulus check, either due to non-filing or receiving a partial amount. If all of these apply to you, then you're likely eligible. For many seniors who rely solely on Social Security, SSI, or Veterans Affairs benefits, there's a good chance your income falls well below the threshold. That means you could still receive the full $1,400 or even more if you qualify for additional dependent credits. But how do you check whether you already received this money? If you don't remember getting a $1,400 stimulus in 2021, the IRS suggests looking at a special document called IRS Letter 6475, which was sent out in early 2022. This letter confirms how much you received in the third round of stimulus payments. If you never got this letter, you can also create an account on IRS.gov to view your tax records online and verify your payment status. Now, let's talk about what to do if you haven't yet filed your 2021 tax return. First of all, it's not too late, but time is running out. You need to file a 2021 return with the IRS no later than July 20, 2025. That's just a few days away from today, and unfortunately, the IRS has been very clear they will not accept any late recovery rebate credit claims after this deadline. If you're not sure how to file or don't usually file taxes, you can still do it for free. There are several options available to seniors. IRS Free File. Even though the 2021 tax season is long over, the IRS still allows you to prepare prior year returns through approved tax software. You can visit IRS.gov and search for Free File for prior years to find providers that let you submit a 2021 return. Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, VITA, and Tax Counseling for the Elderly, TCE, these are free programs funded by the IRS to help seniors and low-income individuals file their taxes. They can help you file a 2021 return and claim your missing $1,400 credit. You can find a nearby center by visiting IRS.gov or calling 800-906-9887. Paper filing. If you're comfortable, you can download and print the 2021 Form 1040 and fill it out by hand. Then mail it to the IRS address for your state. But remember, it must be postmarked by July 20, 2025 to count. Here's a very important point. Even if you have zero income or live only on Social Security or VA benefits, you can still file a 2021 return just to claim the credit. This is not about owing taxes, it's about claiming money you were supposed to receive. And for some seniors, this $1,400 can make a major difference. It can help cover rent, prescriptions, food, medical copays, or even just help build a bit of emergency savings. Another thing to note is that this credit does not affect other benefits. Claiming the 2021 Recovery Rebate Credit will not count as income and will not affect your eligibility for Social Security, SSI, Medicaid, SNAP, or housing assistance. The IRS has confirmed this in multiple public statements. So there is absolutely no risk in claiming your stimulus, only the risk of losing it forever if you don't. And here's something many people don't realize. If you had a dependent in 2021, such as a grandchild or an adult disabled child, you may be eligible for an additional $1,400 per person. That means if you and your spouse missed the stimulus and were supporting a dependent, your refund could be $2,800 or even $4,200 total. As we approach the IRS deadline of July 20, the urgency cannot be overstated. The IRS estimates that millions of Americans are still owed money from the third round of economic impact payments. They've made it clear that after this cutoff date, any unclaimed stimulus credit from 2021 is gone for good. There will be no appeal, no refiling, and no future opportunity to recover this money. It's now or never. So what should you do today? If you haven't already filed your 2021 return, act immediately. Visit IRS.gov, contact a tax preparer, or reach out to a trusted VITA or TCE location near you. If you need help, ask a family member, church group, or senior center, but do not wait. Even if you're not sure whether you qualify, filing the return is the only way to find out and protect your eligibility. Let's quickly recap. Millions of seniors never received it. The IRS is allowing eligible people to claim it through the 2021 Recovery Rebate Credit. If you miss the deadline, you permanently lose the refund. Free tax help is available for seniors nationwide. This refund does not count as income and won't affect your benefits. We at 60 Plus Smart Life are committed to bringing you only the truth. No fear tactics, no fake headlines, just honest information that helps you protect your financial well-being. This is one of the most important updates of the year, and your time is running out. Please take this seriously and share it with other seniors in your community who may also qualify. Thank you for watching, and remember, don't leave your money on the table. If you're eligible for the $1,400, make sure to claim it before it's too late.